Hi friends! Today is a relaxing after dark cleaning motivation. If you are cleaning with me, let's do this! My house is not super messy right now, but it's very dusty and lots of dog hair on my floor that I needed to clean. If you don't know, I have two funny and loving German shepherds that sheds a lot of hair all the time. So my floor needs some TLC and that is one of my goals. Also, we just finished eating dinner, so I need to clean up my kitchen and then tidy up the living room. Let's get started, guys. Here I'm just tidying up my dining table. My son loves to build puzzle and he normally does it here on my dining table. He started this one but changed his mind into finishing it, so I'm just gonna put it away and I know he's just gonna redo this some other time. If you are newer to my channel, hi! Welcome! I am so happy you're here. My name is Selle. I am a working mommy of a 7-year-old sweet boy. I would love for you to subscribe and join my YouTube family, so be sure to say hi and introduce yourself in the comment section. I upload new videos every single week about cleaning, organization, and mommy lifestyle. If you are a returning subscriber, family, and friends, thank you so much for coming back and supporting me. I truly do appreciate you.
That I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you. And it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. We were holding on to something that we both know couldn't work, so we should try to say goodbye. You know we had our problems, so now we have to try to move on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you. And it's
Do you like cleaning up at night or daytime? Leave me a comment down below, guys. I'm interested to know. I like cleaning up at night because it's very relaxing and quiet. But as much as I love doing that, I can't do it all the time because I have to wake up very early in the morning and take my son to school.
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do
My microwave needs some good deep cleaning, so that's what I'm doing here. And for my cleaning solution, I just use mixture of water and vinegar because I don't want to put any chemical in my microwave since we put food here. Same thing with my refrigerator. That's the solution that I use as well.
me come undone. Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not was broken. How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's
If you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, you totally should. We can be friends there. I will link my info for my Instagram account in the description box below.
unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on when I'm not there for you? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here. So won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should let go, 'cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go. I should have known, I should have known you are not right for me. So let go, so let me go, so let me go. You are not right for me, so let go, go. Let me go, go. Let me go, go. Let me go, let me go, let me go, go. Let me go, go. Let me go, go, go. Let me go, go, go. Don't call me, I don't wanna talk to you. I'm better off not talking to you. But why you trying to hold on, to hold on, to hold on? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here. So won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should let go, 'cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go. I should have known, I should have known you are not right for me. So let go, so let me go, so let me go. You are not right for me, so let go. Let me go, go. Let me go, go. Let me go, let me go, let me go.
Literally, guys, I feel like I have to clean my floor every single day, because if not, and I lasted for 2, especially 3 days of not vacuuming and cleaning my floor, oh my god, it would look like I live outside, or worse, it would look bad than the outside ground. I'm serious.
So why are you trying to hold on? I think that you should let go, 'cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go. I think that you should let go, 'cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. You are not right for me, so let go. I look in the mirror, who's looking back at me? I don't know what happened, guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. Back when I met you, we were like fireworks. Thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. We were holding on to something that we both know couldn't work, so we should try to say goodbye. You know we had our problems, so now we have to try to move on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. Oh, I'll get over you.
How'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split.
I hope you find this video motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to tackle your own mess at home. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss out on my new future uploads. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to a friend to inspire them as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and I will see you all again on my next video. Bye!